puso, mga katopa, kay A to Z. Ano-ano? Ito na! Time to plunge into Tic-Tac-Drop, where you'll need all the right moves to go toe-to-toe against your foe. First things first, you gotta know what you're in for. Ano mo yung dapat sabihin mo? Marvy Shay, Yan, Rizal, Liana, Gianna, Uzakiel, who else? Sabrina, Ava, Avery, Winces. Ano yung dapat sabihin mo?
Check out these rules.
Eto na yung mapataas dito. Basahin mo. To win Tic-Tac-Drop, you must make a line up, down, or diagonally by dropping balls through the ball slots. Alright, Hannah, it's your turn. Yun, magkukuha ng isang bola kapag manalo ka isang minigame.
Pag nag-stalemate kayo, pwede ka mag-start over para maging fresh game na kayo.
That's right! Let the games begin! Got that? So now let's put you both to the test. It's time to play Tic-Tac-Drop.
Tick-tock, stop the clock. Then you won't get that. Back to the spin. It's like tic-tac-toe. Back to the spin.
Oh yes! And with a wicked twist too. You make only a mark by winning, and then by dropping. Now let's play. You both got your game faces on. So let's dive into a minigame! Spin the wheel! Ano kayang unang laro? Sana dapat madali. Oh, ang galing! Magaling talo ko, mag-carpenter dito. Tara na, maglaro na tayo. A job is a job, and I'm gonna do it. No, Mario, I'm gonna do it first. Well, we'll see about that. See that? It's faster if we use this controller. Not like the other controller, it sucks. Especially when you do the hammer thingy. Yan! Uy, suwabe! Tamang oras pa rin tayo, ha? Dali naman! Yan! Tapos na ako, mga buisit kayo! Hooray! Galing man talaga yung laro ko, eh! Hanep! And the winner is Rafi! Now you get to drop a ball into the board, Rafi. Choose your drop slot. Dito ko.
Great job, Rappy. You can tic-tac dips. Jump away, jump away.
Watch the ball fly. Eto na, it's going home. Yan. Now let's move on to our next minigame. Ano dapat sabihin mo, Baby Gyro? Oh, sana... Oy, galing naman talaga dito tayo sa Icy World. Baka man mo, mananalo naman yung Choco dito. Swabe naman. Good luck, Rappy. You're gonna be the lose because I'm gonna win this. Oh, come on, Ava. Ang lamig talaga dito. Ang lamig! Sabihin na, gawin mo yung gusto mo, ha? Dojon! Princess Alia, di ba akin na yan? Kantado ka? Akin na yan, buwisit ka? Yan! O, nasaan na? Wala? Charlie, sakit yun ah. Bale, alam ko na talaga may balak ako. Malas, wala. Bale, I'm sure meron yan for sure dito. Yan! Lumas ka na dyan, Kisha, tantado ka. Gago, kailangan ko to. Suwabe naman, Naomi, ow! Heart, ano ka ba? Ouch! Uy, gago, uy, suwabe naman, akin na yan. Yan! Uy, galing naman talaga. Kung kailan talaga magkaroon ako ng maraming gems, ito na yung pagkakataon! Out ka na! Sali ng curtain! Puta nyo mo! Excuse me.
Oh, it's so cold. I lost.
Ito talaga yung parusahan mo dahil hindi nakuha yung tamang alas mo. Pero di bale, dahil dyan, alam mo talaga si Manano?
Ang banana ay si Rappy na naman.
Correct!
Yay!
Now you get to choose a drop ball onto the board.
Rappy, choose your drop slot.
Dito na ako sa gitaan.
Great job, Rappy. You get tic-tac tips. Drop away, drop away.
Kung panalo talaga yung Joko, alam ko talaga yung balak niya ah. Mga swabe kayo. To the last minigame, everybody. I-spin namin yung wheel. Oy, madali lang yan. Mag-start na mag-shopee shake na tayo. Mutay ka talaga.
Baby, let me show you the controller.
Yup, that game's very easy, baby Jayu. Tara na, mag-shopee shake na tayo.
Baby, we got higher.
Siyempre, sino talaga yung manalo dito sa Shopee Shake? Ang panalo dito sa Shopee Shake ng 7-7 Shopee Sale ay sina ako!
Yay!
And the winner is... Hey, I'm trying to sponsor stuff at Shopee. At ang panalo ay sina ako ulit!
Rappy, now you get to drop a ball onto the board. Go on, Rappy. Choose your drop slot. Great job, Rappy. You get tic-tac tips. Drop away, drop away. Whoopee! Three in a row. Trees. Why did I win? Why did my big sister win? That's okay. You know Rappy always wins lots of things.
Well, that's true, baby Jayu. And as the hat trick, as they say, that one of us is the victor. And that's me!
Yay! Good job! Ow! Wow! Baby Peach! Oh, it's okay. I'll try to win next time. Oh,
Mom.
you gotta try harder, big sister. Rappy's always competitive. Oh, okay, yeah. Baby, Rappy's always very competitive when playing. You know all the time how much he's determined to win. I just hope you can try to beat him too. Maybe someday. Maybe. Good job, Rappy.
That's it, baby Jayu. At least I was able to win this round. Oh, Mario, I'm gonna beat you in the next round. Never mind. Next round, everybody.